Yo, what's up, YouTube? All right, so I'm at the Yoda right now. Check it out. That's all full of gas. I got the Mity back out. I released the pressure, but she was holding pressure. And so now I could just put the fuel line back on the carb, and I should be good to start it back up. Right now it's about 5 o'clock in the morning. I don't want to wake up the neighbors with this beast yet. So we'll just chill on out for a moment. But yeah, I'm stoked. That thing would pump the fuel in nicely. Oh, that was awesome. I'm feeling relieved. Oh my God, we're gonna do it. Yeah. And another thing, this channel I watch, Western Truck and Tractor Repair. Yeah, Western Truck and Tractor Repair. Guys at Klamath Falls, Oregon.
Battery power.
And excellent channel for diesel. Excellent. You learn all kinds of badass stuff from this guy. He is a boss. 37,000 followers. I've been following him since about 15 or so. He's got this wiener dog named Oscar. He's quite the character. He grabs onto the guy's ankles and just bites the hell out of him while the guy's just dragging the wiener dog around while he's biting his ankles. It's a pretty funny dog. Alright, y'all. Let me get a like, comment, and a subscription. Deuces.